You see, when a governor starts doing serious work in the state, we have to acknowledge it, whether you like him or not. Credit must be given where it's due, and that's exactly what we are doing today with Governor Francis Nwifuru's urban renewal project in Abakaliki. My people, let's have a real conversation today. Now, before we go into this matter, let me quickly call on smart investors. If you're looking for a solid platform to invest in and get great returns, this channel is your best bet. We are growing fast, reaching thousands of viewers and shaping conversations that really matter. Don't just watch, be part of this movement. Reach out to us on WhatsApp and let's talk business. Alright, back to the matter. We all saw how Governor Peter Mba transformed Enugu with major infrastructure projects, right? And we praised him non-stop. Now, Governor Francis Nwifuru is stepping up in Ebonyi State, and it looks like he's following that same progressive path. The 24-kilometer Ogbaga concrete road is getting a smooth asphalt finish, and which will not only improve transport but also boost businesses in the area. But here's the big question. Is this project massive enough to get the attention of the president for commissioning? Because a whole lot of people are anticipating this particular project. You know how it goes when the project is that big. You see the president cutting ribbons. You think this one makes the cut also? Let me know in the comments. Another major move is in the health sector. Primary health care centers across the 3 senatorial zones are getting new medical equipment as we speak in Ebonyi State. This means fewer people will have to struggle to get treatment at big hospitals in Abakaliki, and it also reduces the stress of being detained in hospitals over unpaid bills. Now that's a win-win for the people of Ebonyi State. And speaking of people, let's give a chilled bottle of Tiger Nut drink to the Ebonyi Commissioner for Works and his health counterpart. These guys are really putting in the work. Now, let's not get carried away. While all these projects are really good, there are still many roads in Abakaliki that need urgent attention. You can all agree with me on this. What about places like Orifite Street in Abakaliki? There's the Umahi, there's Ekaba axis, and the Mbabo behind Presco campus, leading to Ugwachara housing estate. These areas in Abakaliki are developing pretty fast, and if roads are fixed early, it saves the government from spending more in the future. Governor Francis Nwifuru, over to you. Now, here's the hot topic that always sparks debates. Some people still feel, or rather believe, that Nwifuru should take lessons from his boss. Who is his boss? Chief David Umahi, and develop Ebonyi at a faster pace. We all know Umahi was an infrastructure king. Flyovers, concrete roads, shopping malls, an international airport, and many more. But then, some still argue that he focused too much on construction while neglecting other areas like salaries and public welfare. On the other hand, Nwifuru is more people-centered, increasing salaries, reviving water projects, and investing in rural healthcare. So let's settle this once and for all. Which approach is better? Umahi's infrastructure drive or Nwifuru's people-first governance? Drop your thoughts in the comments. That's it for today, my people. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on hot updates about Ebonyi State and beyond. See you in the next video.